Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to seamlessly connect Google Maps to your car display using Android Auto. Before we begin, ensure you have the following: an Android phone running version 8.0 or higher, a car or stereo system compatible with Android Auto, and a high-quality USB cable for wired connections, or a vehicle that supports wireless Android Auto. For a list of compatible vehicles and devices, check the official Android Auto website. Let's start with a wired connection. 1. Ensure your car is in park and the infotainment system is powered on. 2. Plug your phone into the car's USB port using a USB cable. 3. Your phone may prompt you to update or download Android Auto. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. 4. Once connected, the Android Auto interface should appear on your car's display. Wireless connection setup. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, 1. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services are enabled. 2. On your car's infotainment system, initiate the pairing process for a new device. 3. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and select your car from the list of available devices. 4. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the pairing. 5. Once paired, Android Auto should launch automatically on your car's display. And now, you need to launch Google Maps. With Android Auto active, 1. Tap the Google Maps icon on your car's display. 2. Use the search function to enter your destination or select from recent locations, categories like gas stations or restaurants, or your saved places. 3. Tap Start to begin navigation. For hands-free operation, you can use voice commands by saying "Hey Google" followed by your request. If you encounter issues, ensure your phone software is up to date, check that Google Maps is not restricted by battery optimization settings, verify that your USB cable is functioning properly, or consult your vehicle's manual or contact the manufacturer for specific compatibility information. And that's it. You successfully connected Google Maps to your car's display using Android Auto. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a like and subscribe in the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks.